I'm Anthony Bonney of InSurge Unlocked. Today we're going to be talking about business pages. Welcome to Workshop Wednesday. Today I want to talk about 3 ways you can get the most out of your LinkedIn business page. Rule number 1 with business pages: have a business page. 15-20 years ago, it didn't matter whether you had a website. Now, you're very unlikely to buy from a business that doesn't have a website. As LinkedIn moves into more of a sales platform, you need to have a presence as a business rather than just an individual on LinkedIn. So first and foremost, make sure you've got a business page. Point number 2, how to grow your business page. Now, on your business page, you will notice that you can do your own posts as from the business. So when you actually post it, it's going to show that it's coming from your business page rather than you as an individual. This is going to create brand credibility. So rather than just putting content out as you as an individual, put it out on your business page. Now, to build that business page, one of the things that you want to be able to do is share it from you as an individual. So put the content out from your business page, and you and the rest of the people in your business share it through your individual LinkedIn account. What then happens is you will see at the top left of that piece of content is a follow button. This encourages people who've liked that content to click on the follow button and follow your business page. Point number 3, to get more awareness of your business, it would be lovely to be able to interact and comment as your business as well as you as an individual. So I'm going to show you how. The first thing you want to do if you want to comment as your business rather than as you as a person is find the piece of content that you want to comment on, and you will notice where you comment, the icon is of you rather than your business page. Tag your business page. So you put the @ sign, tag your company, tag them in and post. Now you will notice straight away there it says the business name in blue that you can tag on there. Now straight away all you need to do is go to your business page. On your business page you'll now see next to activity, and on activity it will say that your business page has been tagged in a particular comment. Now if you go to that comment, you'll now notice when you go to that piece of content, when you scroll down, you're going to see next to where you put a comment that it's no longer showing your icon. It's now showing your business logo. As always, guys, thanks for watching. If you need any help and support on how to get the most out of LinkedIn, then please do drop me a message. You can subscribe to me on YouTube. You can follow me on LinkedIn. It's going everywhere. Or you can comment below and tell me whether you think business pages are the future of LinkedIn. I'll see you next time on Workshop Wednesday.